Good day, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Ruben Torrens, and today I will tell you how to save for retirement if you have a disability. Will be part one, which I will include in this part the disability tax credit certificate, all the details about this important certificate, and then on part two, I will talk about the disability savings plan, the RDSP. This may be part two and part three because it's quite extensive the information that is required about this plan. But we will see how it goes. This is going to be at least two parts, probably three parts. So make sure that you subscribe. You're going to help yourself. You're not going to miss any future videos. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, takes just a click. And it's going to help me a lot as well. So thank you for subscribing. And before diving into the disability tax credit, I'd like to make mention to the Canada Disability Benefit because I think since the beginning of the year, disability has been on the mainstream media basically every day. And the Canada Disability Benefit is gaining momentum. This is something that the Liberal government promised on the last election campaign, and this is something that actually yesterday there was a petition on Parliament signed by 83 or 84 senators to move ahead with the Canada Disability Benefit that apparently, there's no details, but apparently what the rumors says is going to be something similar to the guaranteed income supplement for retired people, but this is not for retired people. This is for working age people. So very important, very good news are coming. I guess in the next month or two, we will hear a lot more about this benefit. And also, I'd like to tell you about the Disability Without Poverty. This organization is the one that is pushing the Canada Disability Benefit. And needs our support, needs the support of people with disabilities. On the descriptions below the video, I include a link to this website. I suggest you to go take a look. Lots of information of what's going on mainly at the federal government level with disabilities. So this is great information. Don't miss it. Make sure that you go and visit this website because you're gonna be happy that you did it. And now, yes, let's go. Let's dive into finally the disability tax credit and see what all the details are. But before getting to the certificate itself, I'd like to share this document with you, which is disability-related information for 2021. This is the latest document published by the government, and in the descriptions of the video, below the video, I include a link to the government page where you can download this document. Tons of information here, guys. I will go quickly through this document, and I will go to page 4, the bottom of page 4 here, where it says non-refundable tax credits. This is the disability tax credit. What does it mean by non-refundable? It means that the disability tax credit is not a document that will put money in your pocket. If it will help you, it will reduce your tax payable. If you have in any given year sufficient taxable income to pay income tax, then your income tax will be reduced. What you have to pay to the government will be reduced because of the disability tax credit. But if you do not have any tax payable, then it doesn't do anything for you regarding your income tax. But you will see that this certificate will do a lot for you if you qualify for it. So here are all the instructions on this document and all the categories that can make you qualify for the certificate. But below all this, there is a complete detail of every every category. So categories like vision, speaking. But I want to touch I don't want to go through everything because you can read it on at your own pace. But I want to touch into a couple of categories that I have experienced from the past of people telling me, no, I do not qualify for, I don't think I qualify for this. And one of them is feeding. And when I tell my clients is, well, your son or you or whoever person with disability is can qualify for this certificate. They assume, say, no, I can feed myself. I said, feeding yourself involves cooking your own meal. It doesn't involve going to the supermarket to buy your groceries, but it does involve cooking your own meal. And if it takes more than an average person without the disability to cook the same meal, then you may qualify. And the other one is dressing. And I had in the past people telling me, one, I can dress myself. Yes, but if to dress it takes longer, 3 times longer than an average person without a disability, then you may qualify for this. It's not only that you can perform the task, it's how you perform the task. And I leave you with that. Just go to below the video, you will see the link to this document. Just click on the link and you can download the document from that government page. And then going to the disability tax credit itself, the application. Well, the application is very simple. So you need information for the person with the disability. So the name, social insurance number, address, and the date of birth, of course. And here you have to tell if that person is claiming the disability amount. If the tax credit is granted, if that person will be claiming that disability amount. Why is that important? It's, well, if that person happens to be a child that doesn't have any taxable income, it's not going to be claiming the disability amount. His mom or dad will. But if that person happens to be over the age of 18 and not working, so they cannot claim this the disability tax credit, the claim the disability amount on the income tax. So somebody else will claim it, probably the spouse or the person that is helping the person with disability on a daily basis. If that is the situation, then you have to check mark this box here and enter the name of that person and the relationship to you, and provide details. If there are any details, that person needs to sign here, and then the rest of the individual. They ask you if you want the CRA to adjust your previous tax returns. Well, this is because when you take this form to the doctor may say on the form, when this disability was diagnosed, or this condition was diagnosed 5 years ago. But then the government can readjust the last 5 income taxes for all those years and send you the money that you would have get in that particular year if you happen to have the certificate. So this is important because you can get money from previous tax years if the doctor says that the condition has been diagnosed for all that time. And you may decide not to do that and do it with your own accountant, in which case most likely you will end up paying a fee. If you do it directly with the government, you're not going to pay anything. And then you sign this application, enter your telephone number, the date, take it to your doctor, and from then on, medical practitioner. Here, guys, your medical practitioner section. From here on, it's all about your doctor, nurse, or whoever you take this form to be completed to see if you can qualify to get the certificate. And this is all you need to know about this. This certificate, if it doesn't do anything, I know I have clients that they have the certificate and in reality they're not getting any tax break because they don't have any taxable income. But the certificate allows them to open a registered disability savings plan account, which I will cover all that on the next video or in the next 2 videos. So, but this is the part of the base part, the disability tax credit itself, which forms the base to the rest. So, very important. The disability tax credit itself may not put extra money in your pocket, but the registered disability savings plan, the RDSP, will. Don't miss the next video. Make sure that you subscribe because that program will put money in your pocket for sure, guaranteed. I will show you. It's an unbelievable program. This program started in 2009, and as far as I know, as far as I know, Canada is the only country that has this program for people with disabilities. So make sure that you learn all the details about that particular program. I hope you enjoy the video and you find something informative or useful. In your case, and if you have any comments or questions, please let me know on the comments section below the video, and check on the descriptions because I will give you there the links to download the documents that I show you during the presentation. Other than that, please don't forget to subscribe. You're gonna help me a lot as well, and I'm gonna really thank you for it. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video on the part 2.